In this short video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add the IDM extension to Google Chrome so you can enjoy faster and more reliable downloads. If your IDM isn't showing up in Chrome or downloads aren't automatically captured, you're not alone. Many users face this issue after installing or updating IDM. It usually happens when Chrome doesn't automatically install the extension or when users unknowingly try to add fake versions from the Chrome Web Store. But don't worry, I'll show you the correct and safest way to fix it in under 3 minutes. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added a useful resource there for you too. Stay with me until the end to discover another method in case the extension still isn't appearing. Now let's get started on how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. To start, make sure the main IDM software is already installed on your PC, as the extension won't work without it. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official website. The link is provided in the description below to help you avoid fake versions. If you're not sure you have the real one, uninstall it, then download the right software from the link provided in the description below. Next, open a new tab in Chrome and head over to the official IDM site using that link. Scroll down until you find the IDM extension for Google Chrome and click on the direct Chrome Web Store link. Note that IDM states on their official site that any IDM extensions found by searching the Chrome Web Store are fake. Only use the direct link from their website, which I've included in the description. Once you open the correct link, click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension when prompted. It will be installed and pinned automatically to your Chrome toolbar. But we're not done yet. Click the 3 dots at the top right corner of Chrome, hover over Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Find IDM Integration module and click on Details, then ensure the following. Toggle it on. Set site access to all sites and enable Allow in Incognito if you want downloads to work there too. If you don't see the IDM extension for Chrome in the Chrome Web Store, perhaps IDM makers did not follow best practices for Chrome extensions. Before we continue to how to get around this, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with an alternative method if the extension still doesn't show or you couldn't find it in the Chrome Web Store. Open File Explorer and go to your IDM installation folder, usually located in C:\program files, x86/Internet Download Manager. Look for a file named IDMGCExt.crx. This is the extension file. Now, return to Chrome and open the Extensions page by navigating to Chrome//extensions in the address bar. In the top right corner of the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch. Drag and drop the IDMGCExt.crx file from the IDM folder onto the Chrome Extensions page. You'll get a pop-up, just click Add Extension, and IDM will be added to your browser. Another way to fix the IDM extension not working in Chrome is to enable advanced browser integration in IDM. To do this, open the IDM application. Go to Options, then click General. Ensure that the box next to Use Advanced Browser Integration is checked. Also, make sure that Google Chrome is checked under the Capture Downloads from the following browsers section. I've left the official links and more down in the description. While there, remember to register your IDM to get the full features beyond 30 days. Link in the description. To explore more Google Chrome video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.